Welcome to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking natural and holistic ways to promote their well-being. In this episode, let's explore the alternative healing methods as a holistic approaches to health. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover alternative healing methods that take a comprehensive view of health, addressing the mind, body, and spirit. Traditional medical practices are invaluable, but alternative healing methods offer unique approaches that focus on the body's innate ability to heal itself. These methods encompass a wide range of practices, including herbal medicine, acupuncture, aromatherapy, and energy healing. Let's explore these approaches and understand their principles and benefits. Healing Method 1: Herbal Medicine. For centuries, plants have been used for their medicinal properties. Herbal remedies harness the power of nature to promote healing and balance within the body. They can come in various forms, including teas, tinctures, capsules, and topical applications. Herbal medicine takes a holistic approach, considering the whole person rather than just the symptoms. It emphasizes the importance of nourishing and supporting the body's natural healing processes. From chamomile for relaxation to echinacea for immune support, herbs offer a natural and gentle approach to health. Healing Method 2: Acupuncture. We have acupuncture, a practice rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. It involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to restore the flow of energy, or qi. According to traditional Chinese medicine, disruptions or imbalances in the flow of qi can lead to health issues. By stimulating the acupuncture points, practitioners aim to rebalance the energy and promote healing. Acupuncture is known for its effectiveness in pain management, stress reduction, and overall well-being. It is often used to alleviate conditions such as headaches, back pain, digestive disorders, and even emotional imbalances. Healing Method 3: Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is another fascinating healing method. It utilizes essential oils extracted from plants to promote physical and emotional well-being. Different scents have distinct effects on the body and mind. Essential oils can be inhaled, applied topically, or used in various products such as diffusers, bath oils, or massage oils. Lavender, for example, is known for its calming properties and is often used to reduce stress and improve sleep. Peppermint, on the other hand, can invigorate and improve focus. Aromatherapy is widely used to support relaxation, uplift mood, and enhance overall wellness. Healing Method 4: Energy Healing. Lastly, we have energy healing, which recognizes that our bodies are composed of energy. These practices work on the principle that imbalances or blockages in the body's energy flow can lead to illness or discomfort. Energy healing modalities, such as Reiki, Qigong, and Healing Touch, aim to restore balance and harmony within the energy system. Practitioners use various techniques, such as gentle touch, visualization, or the manipulation of energy fields, to promote healing. Energy healing can help reduce stress, enhance relaxation, support the immune system, and improve overall well-being. It is often used alongside traditional medical treatments as a complementary approach. By exploring these alternative healing methods, we expand our possibilities for achieving optimal health. They offer complementary avenues to traditional medicine, addressing the root causes of imbalance and focusing on prevention and holistic well-being. It's important to note that alternative healing methods should not replace medical care but can be used in conjunction with it for a comprehensive approach to health and wellness. Remember, when considering alternative healing methods, it's essential to consult with trained and certified practitioners about your health conditions. Embrace the power of nature, explore the ancient wisdom of different cultures, and find what resonates with you. By adopting a holistic approach to health, we can create a harmonious connection between our mind, body, and spirit. Open your mind to new possibilities, nurture your well-being, and discover the potential of holistic healing. Thank you for joining us on this exploration alternative healing methods. We hope you found this video useful. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.